Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to another deep dive into the fascinating world of health and wellness. Today, I'm diving into some eye-opening research that could change the way you think about your nightly rest. It's all about how just 3 nights of bad sleep can damage your heart. Yes, you heard that right. Even a short-term sleep deprivation can have serious consequences. So let's get right into it. A recent study from Uppsala University explored the impact of sleep deprivation on cardiovascular health. The study involved 16 healthy young men who typically enjoyed normal sleep habits. These guys spent 2 separate sessions in a controlled lab environment. In one session, they slept for a solid 8.5 hours each night. But in the other, their sleep was restricted to just 4.25 hours for 3 consecutive nights. Ouch! During these sessions, the researchers kept a tight rein on their meals and activity levels. Blood samples were taken morning, evening, and after 30 minutes of high-intensity exercise. They measured levels of around 90 proteins in the blood, focusing on those linked to inflammation and cardiovascular disease. They measured levels of around 90 proteins in the blood, focusing on those linked to inflammation and cardiovascular disease. The findings? Not great, folks. After just 3 nights of restricted sleep, the levels of inflammatory proteins linked to heart failure and coronary artery disease shot up. And remember, these were young, healthy individuals. This suggests that even the fittest among us aren't immune to the effects of sleep loss. Interestingly, while exercise did increase beneficial proteins, it wasn't enough to fully counteract the negative impact of sleep deprivation. Prior research indicates that combining exercise with sleep loss might even strain heart muscle cells. So the takeaway here is clear: sleep and exercise should be seen as complementary, not interchangeable. And here's a staggering fact: nearly half of all Swedes experience disturbed sleep. This highlights just how widespread the issue is. It's also important to note that further research is needed on women, older individuals, and those with pre-existing heart conditions. So what's the call to action? Prioritize your sleep, folks. Getting enough rest is crucial for maintaining heart health. Even if you're young and fit, neglecting sleep can have serious consequences. Pair your workouts with a good night's sleep for the best results. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and news. Until next time, take care of your heart by taking care of your sleep. See you in the next video.